Hello everyone, my name is Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Happy Space. Today I'll be chatting with a person who's very happy most of the times. Her energy is vivacious, she's super talented, and no one has her moves. I'm talking about the beautiful Sanya Malhotra. So,
Thank you so much, Radhani, for such a lovely introduction.
also, I'm so impressed by your takeover on Reels with the mash of the TV serial dialogues. Wah,
Yeah, I
क्या
was
मजा
keeping
आता है.
myself entertained during the lockdown. कुछ और बचा नहीं था तो मैंने सोचा अब यही कर लेते हैं. बहुत देख लिया बैठे हुए हैं कुछ कर नहीं रहे हैं तो या कुछ तो करना था to entertain myself.
3 films.
That's true and it's an amazing thing, isn't it? लॉकडाउन में
It is.
मतलब घर पे बैठे बैठे I was going to everybody's house.
It was a Sanya Malhotra fest.
Love that.
What a tremendous journey you had, Sanya. And what remains true is the fact that you don't let the stardom affect you and you've remained true to who you are. Authentic कैसे रहते हो आप?
I don't know how do I keep ऐसा consciously नहीं कर रही हूँ consciously कर रही हूँ शायद maybe because it's I treat it as a job, you know, it's not my life. Being an actor is a job for me. ऐसा 9 to 5 वाला जॉब है मेरा. 9 to 5 होता नहीं है वो अलग बात है but I treat it as a job. That's it. Nothing else. I will never make it my life. I passionately love acting but then वो काम है. सान्या मल्होत्रा अलग है घर पर और फिर काम में she's someone else, you know.
You mentioned that, but what are the changes that you've noticed in yourself? Maybe as an actor also, but as a person, the one who started, you know, with all the dreams in our eyes to today, where you know the dreams are there and they're all you know there are more of them.
I think we all had a lot of time in 2020. तो काफ़ी इंट्रोस्पेक्शन के बाद आई हैव रियलाइज दैट आई वाज मे बी टू हार्श ऑन माई सेल्फ. ठीक है बिकॉज ऑफ माई वर्क एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस प्रेशर दैट वी थिंक इज प्रेशर. आई रियलाइज आई वॉज quite critical and harsh on myself and now I've decided that I don't know, take a chill pill, Sanna, it's okay, you are doing your best. So I think it's also because of Sandhya that I realized that too cliche, kuch zyada hi philosophical it might sound, but that's true, you know, because she lived her life on her own terms after whatever she went through. And this was the last film that I shot before the pandemic hit. And I realized that she is quite emotionally mature. She taught me a lot. Her character and this whole experience of filming Paglet taught me a lot about, I don't know, these very complex human emotions that we all feel, you know. And sometimes we hold on to some of the negative emotions and we try to move forward, but there is something that is pulling you back constantly. You know that you need to let go of them, but you don't because at one point you get very comfortable with it. And in 2020, I realized that, and thanks to Paglet and Sandhya, that I could actually, I don't know, maybe realize that about myself too.
The fact that she's feeling hungry and she's feeling thirsty and she's okay to tell them that, you know, like, I am still alive and I want to live it. Almost the message like that.
Yeah.
Like, the person's gone, but I'm still alive. I want to live it. Is a beautiful philosophy, and women don't put themselves first. Would you agree?
That's so true. And she's not, maybe, you know, she's going through a lot internally. She has a very simple, very calm exterior, but she knows that there are too many things that are going inside her head. She wants, I think, to look normal to other people as well. And those are like very real emotion. Like hunger is a very real emotion. Maybe उसने 2 दिन से कुछ खाया नहीं है.
Exactly.
And when her mother comes, she's hoping that she might understand this. कि please रो मत, कितना रोगी. That's the first thing that she tells her mother. कि she might be so I think she's feeling very pressured कि भाई I don't know what I'm going through. You know, give me some time. तो शी इज़ सो कन्फ्यूज, नॉट एबल टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड कि ये हो क्या रहा है लाइफ में. whereas she's comparing herself with other people. She's also comparing herself कि पहले जब मैं फील करती थी जब मेरी बिल्ली मरी थी. So she herself is putting a lot of pressure on herself. As I said, we at one point we don't get to know, but we become very comfortable with the negativity that we surround ourselves with, you know. उसी में हम एक comfort ढूंढ लेते हैं, and that's when it becomes like very toxic. And that's why I think she beautifully teaches all of us to just let go, to move on, to start a new chapter in life.
For me, puglet also means that, often, specifically women,
हाँ.
are, if they do something that for themselves and if they are being authentic, they're often called like you're crazy.
Huh.
Because for them, that's not the norm, right?
Yeah.
People always think to know you better than yourself and they are judging you. What are the judgments that you feel you received very early in your career and even now sometimes?
And it was self-judgment. As I said, I was too critical. I was a
Like-
perfectionist. And how? Matlab, with a lot of negative connotation attached to it. I never liked whatever. I used to, मैं तो ज़्यादा ही critical हो जाती थी अपने काम को लेकर. और आई यूज़ टू बी वेरी हार्श एंड आई यूज़ टू बीट माई सेल्फ डाउन कि हल्की सी भी एक मिस्टेक कर दी किसी फिल्म में विद अ कैरेक्टर और विद माई डायलॉग, या a bad day on shoot जहाँ you're fumbling with your dialogues. I used to get very critical and I used to put a lot of pressure on myself, you know. तो बचपन से ऐसी चीज़ है कि दूसरे क्या कहते हैं उससे मुझे इतना फ़र्क पड़ता नहीं था लाइफ में, एंड आई एम ग्लैड नहीं पड़ता था. पर खुद ही पे दूसरे तो डालते ही थे, उनकी छोड़ो, मैं अपने ऊपर पहले डाल देती थी कि कोई मुझे आके बताए कि मे बी आई डिडंट लाइक योर परफॉर्मेंस इन दिस. आई हेटेड इट. आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू बट आई ऑल्सो हेटेड माई परफॉर्मेंस इन इट. So I was just constantly putting myself down, you know, and which obviously was not working for me. And I'm glad that I've realized that, and I catch myself as soon as I'm doing that. When I'm shooting, if I'm not having a good day or या dialogues में कुछ fumble हुआ, तो I just tell myself that it's okay, you tried, it's okay. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं हो रही है, फिल्म तो अभी भी बन रही है, फिल्म रिलीज भी हो जाएगी, फिर याद भी नहीं रहने वाला कि ये गलती भी कभी करी थी लाइफ में.
And self-love is a process.
It is.
And it's not really easy. How was that process for you? Because all of us look at ourselves in the mirror and we only see imperfections. How was
मैंने तो recently ये discover किया है, to be honest, रुद्रानी. मतलब thanks to 2020, I had so much time with myself कि और कोई option ही नहीं बचा था. I was living alone in Bombay and I knew for a fact that if I hate my own company, then there's no point, you know. So you will have to like yourself, Sanya, but you have to spend a lot of time with yourself कि घर से निकल नहीं सकते. You can't meet anyone else. So in last year only I discovered this whole concept of self-love. Not just about putting a face pack and having a warm cup of tea before sleeping or pampering yourself. That's self-love too, but like that internal emotions that you feel, you know, self-judgment, maybe letting go of these heavy emotions. I was reading about a lot of things. I also got therapy. So it was all like very nice, and I'm glad that I did all that, you know, and I'm in a very happy space now, whether it's my work or personally. तो बड़ी खुश हूँ मैं. Then that what matters, you know. खुश रहना is the most important, crucial thing.
But I'm glad you spoke about therapy because I think we have to normalize this.
Yeah, संध्या को भी थेरेपी कोई दे देता है यार. वो अंकल बोल तो रहे थे PTSD, पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक स्ट्रेस डिसऑर्डर, पर आई विश उन्होंने संध्या को एक थेरेपिस्ट का नंबर भी दे दिया होता तो शायद उसे पता चलता कि उसकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स go for therapy. सबके सब. That's so
exactly.
the most important thing ever.
I agree because we live in such times, right? And even with the social media pressure, like you think you're looking good and then you see somebody else. It happens to Sandhya also.
Yeah, it happens when she meets Akanksha for the first time. Or
yeah, and the way she looks, she wants to be her.
She's constantly comparing herself. She goes to Dadi क्योंकि पता है वहाँ से कोई judgment मिलने नहीं वाली. She's not going to say anything. And she's basically confessing कि ये इतनी अच्छी कैसी है. And when she meets her for the first time, उसके nails देख रही है. She's so proper. Her exterior is so nice. She's looking beautiful. She's wearing such a nice outfit. And then that thing, and it's a beautifully written relationship between Akanksha and Sandhya, you know.
Yeah.
This also we have never seen, you know, sisterhood. And they find friendship in this scenario, which is so beautifully written by Umesh sir. And it's inspiring because that's in a real space that I have never seen in Hindi cinema. जहाँ दो औरतें जो सेम ही आदमी को प्यार करती हैं वो लड़ नहीं रही हैं पर दोस्त बन जाती हैं.
Exactly. But you've done films where you promote this idea of sisterhood. I mean, maybe it was not planned. You know, in some way or the other, you are cheering for the other person. Whether it was the first debut film that you did, you were literally cheering for your sister and each other.
नहीं,
And
प्लान
when you
तो
did
था.
a-
It's a conscious effort, रुद्रानी, because
है
I
ना?
want to do roles and characters जो inspire करें और young generation को inspire करें, you know,
Well said.
because I grew up watching सौतन बनी डायन टाइप चीज़ें तो वो which I could never relate to, you know. और I would like to as an actor it's my responsibility कि मैं ऐसे characters करूँ जो inspiring हो.
That's true. But I'm glad you got help and you said you're in a happy space. Sanya, I'm very proud of you.
I'm Paglet now.
You're Paglet now. And on that note, what is your happy space? Truly, what is your happy space?
My happy space, I don't know, this inner joy that I feel, you know. I've never felt this way. I used to be so nervous during promotions or, as I said, extremely critical or nervousness about the film. I don't know. I feel this inner joy that I'm feeling right now. I'm quite confident. I'm happy with the film. I'm happy with the performance. I'm so happy that I got to play Sandhya. Very happy space right now. This has never happened before. Honestly, this has never happened before. I'm feeling very joyful and I don't know, confident about the film that I'm doing. Date me right now.
Date me right now. Simple, na? It's direct.
Simple. Oh, acha, I don't know, yaar. I've never been on a dating app.
आप जैसे को ना you all get, you all meet your
कोई नहीं मिल रहा, ठीक है. डेटिंग ऐप से भी चली जाओगे ना तब भी किसी ने देखना नहीं है, ठीक है रुद्रानी, ये तुम्हें लग रहा है.
Moving on to my second segment, it's a bunch of fun questions. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm always ready for fun questions.
What's some of the weird nicknames that you've got?
My nicknames are quite cute.
Fun.
Sanu, Sani. Some people call me Maggie.
Hey,
हाँ.
because we stayed with few of our friends and family, and we spent a lot of time in the lockdown. Have any of them pointed out an annoying quality of yours because you spend so much time with them? And what was that?
वो मुझे खुद ही पता चल गया था. I have a habit of cleaning. Like, matlab, I'm quite OCD when it comes to safai. So
Yeah.
I used to wake up, clean my room, and I especially got a vacuum cleaner during the lockdown. ताकि सुबह उठते ही रूम साफ करती थी एंड देन फिर सोने से पहले भी आई यूज्ड टू प्रॉपर्ली लाइक डस्टिंग vacuum cleaner, everything I used to do. I'm quite crazy that way. So that's the annoying habit that I have.
I'm sure they never complain about you because
Never ever.
safai, khana. Do you cook well as well?
Yeah, I like cooking. I don't know if I cook well or not.
Us.
पर मैं खा लेती हूँ जो भी
Then
बनाओ.
you were mothering all of them.
Kind of, yes.
There you are. I know that, right? बताओ free dancing classes, खाना और सफाई हो रहा है. बताओ अब
I तो and I can also make them work out. Hello. सब कुछ हो सकता
मतलब घर
है.
बैठे
और क्या चाहिए?
और क्या चाहिए? Okay, if you had to share this Pagla tag with another crazy wacky actor from the industry, who would that be and why?
I think all the other actors are paglet. मतलब ये जॉब ही इतनी पगलेटपन वाली है. राधिका मदान. राधिका मदान is quite a paglet.
That is true. आपकी दूसरी बहन. One, tell me a rumor about yourself that makes you laugh.
कोई है ही नहीं यार. मैं तो वेट कर रही हूँ कभी कोई रूबर आए. I don't think so. I have
But a funny one.
not yet.
Okay. What's the weirdest audition that you gave? And you were like, why am I doing this?
My first audition, I was just telling this to someone. तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि कोऑर्डिनेटर्स के नाम में मैं तो ऐसे ही चली गई थी ऑडिशन देने रैंडमली एंड दैट कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर टोल्ड मी कि कोऑर्डिनेटर्स के नाम में मेरा नाम लिख दो एंड आई गॉट दैट एड and he told me that you will have to give me a cut from whatever you're getting and I was just getting like 5,000 rupees and उसमें से भी he took like 50%. और वो मेरा पहला ad था that I got, you know, after 4 months of staying in Bombay एक ad मिला मुश्किल से, उसमें भी भाई साहब पैसे लेकर चले गए, तो I was quite sad.
And on that note, if you had to give advice to the 18-year-old self who stepped into this business or was planning to, what would you give and why?
Take a chill pill, Sanya. हो जाएगा सब. All your dreams will come true. Don't, just take a chill pill. Relax.
What's the most paglet thing you've done in love?
In love? Being in love is quite a paglet thing to do, isn't it?
No, something that you
Kicking the red flags off, you know? दिख रहे हैं बट गो पेंट देम ग्रीन कि ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, मेरा प्यार तो मेरा प्यार है. दैट आई हैव डन अ लॉट.
What you've done is you ignored the red flags and
इग्नोर क्या,
प्यार ज्यादा.
देखकर खुद ही पेंट कर दिया ग्रीन.
पर नहीं, अभी नहीं करेगी, अभी नहीं करती.
नेवर एवर अगेन प्लीज. ये भी मत करना ऑडिशन में. कोऑर्डिनेटर्स के नाम में डायरेक्ट लिखना और रेड फ्लैग्स को कभी किक मत करना दोस्तों.
अपने जिसको आप डेट कर रहे हो उसके रेड फ्लैग्स देखते ही हटा देना प्लीज.
उसे भी हटा देना, रेड फ्लैग्स को भी हटा देना.
हटा देना. Has someone done something crazy for you when you've been dating? You know, like a very, can be a gesture, can be anything.
Nah, never.
Quickly before I move on to my third segment, if you had to make a bio of a dating app, what would that be and why?
Date me right now.
Date me right now. Simple, na? It's direct.
Simple. और क्या लिख सकती हूँ मैं? Swipe right.
Okay.
Right now or left? I don't know.
Left is reject, na? Right is.
Oh, अच्छा, I don't know यार. I've never been on a dating app.
आप जैसे को ना you all get, you all meet your.
कोई नहीं मिल रहा, ठीक है? Dating app से भी चली जाओगे ना तब भी किसी ने देखना नहीं है, ठीक है रुद्रानी? ये तुम्हें लग रहा है. But as I said, we are in the same boat, my friend. यही है नहीं है हमारे पीछे बैठी हो मेरे.
But there is hope. But there is hope. यही प्रार्थना.
This was after the shoot got over. We went back to Ludhiana for this photo shoot, that poster shoot, and we were trying to figure out कहाँ कौन कैसे बैठेगा. And हम लोग ऐसे randomly we sat, and Amir sir and Nitish sir all of them were really happy that this is the poster.
Moving on to my last segment, Samya. Okay, the third segment is one of my favorites. It's the game of pictures. I'm going to show you pictures from your Instagram. You have to tell me the memory associated with that picture, what you felt, and the bond with the person. Are you ready?
I'm ready. This was after the shoot got over. We went back to Ludhiana for this photo shoot, that poster shoot, and we were trying to figure out कहाँ कौन कैसे बैठेगा. And हम लोग ऐसे randomly we sat, and Amir sir and Nitish sir all of them were really happy that this is the poster. That's why we are still not in the costumes, if you have seen. सबने jacket पहन रखा है, सर्दी बहुत है. तो ये this was the moment where Nitish sir saw and he was like, ये रहा हमारा poster is this. That's Mammu. That's me and Mama in Japan. जब मैं छोटी थी तो पापा यूज्ड टू वर्क इन जापान, तो हम एक साल वहाँ पूरी फैमिली रहकर आए. एंड लास्ट ईयर आई टुक देम बैक टू योकोहामा वेयर वी यूज्ड टू लिव. तो वो वहाँ की फोटो है.
So interesting. It's a very cute picture.
This is Paglet rap day. Look, लखनऊ में बीच मार्केट में we wrapped our film. और हम खुश हैं, पर मैं रो भी रही थी इसमें. I was crying. I miss shooting. Yeah. Listen, I was in love with Sandhya, okay? She's still there in my system. मैं सबको बोलती रहती हूँ ये. And yeah, I was really sad that we wrapped the film.
From sad to a happy day.
That's Ludo first day on set with Adi and Dada.
Tell me the bond, because Adi and you have such a natural chemistry. I love that about you.
Yeah, we're both quite similar, you know. चुपचाप अपने अपने वर्ल्ड में दोनों तैर रहे हैं. Yeah, we're quite similar that way.
Ending with this last picture, because throwbacks are always beautiful.
Yeah, that's.
देख लिया होगा.
हाँ, that's in Japan again.
Yokohama. But the one ऊपर is the time, I think.
जब हम रहते थे वहाँ पर.
Oh, that's a beautiful picture.
Thank you so much.
The women in your life that always stand by you?
Mama and Shagun, my sister. They're always there. Thanks a lot. It was
thank you for
lovely
being
talking
a part of films, like you said, that matter and will change the game, hopefully.
Hopefully.
So, thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching the film, Rudrani. Love you.
Lots of love.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Take care.